Hi YouTubers, since this summer is approaching and travel season is hitting, and you know I love to travel, here are my top 23 things that I love to carry whenever I'm traveling. Of course, a nice little laundry bag. It's so compact, it all folds up and zips up into its own pouch that's connected to it. Then you have a little manicure set to cut your fingernails, cuticles, and also these little scissors can be used to cut other little things in case you don't have any scissors with you. When I travel on cruises and sometimes other trips, I love to have this big wallet because it's RFID to protect my credit cards and my family's passports. It can hold up to 4 passports and several credit cards, and plus you have these pockets for your money. Get you one. Don't travel without it. Also, I like little bitty wallets for just when I'm just going on domestic flights or even road trips because it's skinny, lightweight, holds my cards, money. You have a cash slot, and it's also RFID, so can't be skimming my cards. Honey, I love taking pictures with my phone, videos with my phone, but who don't love a little tiny camera? This is a small Canon camera, and it works wonderful to get all those extra shots so you don't use up all the memory on your phone all the time. And must always carry, even around town. You never know when you might be delayed somewhere, stuck out somewhere. Need you a travel battery. This battery can charge 2 items at one time. Nice battery. I bought it at a Sam's Club. And then also your cord. This is a universal power cord. I put an adapter on it for my phone, but see, it extends. So wonderful because you can make it as short as you want it or as long as you need it when trying to charge your phone, honey, and other devices. And don't forget, when you're on them airplanes, baby, you need something to put in the mirrors so you can hear your music. Always need something that sounds good to hear the music. But don't forget, with these being wireless and Bluetooth, you never know when that battery gonna die out on you. It always seems to die out at the wrong time. Make sure you got your handy dandy regular earphones that you just plug and play. Cause who wants to be without their music if you ain't sleeping? Speaking of sleeping, baby, don't forget your nice neck pillow, honey. Oh, they be so comfy, and you can snap it around your neck. And when you're traveling through them airports, you know, you can snap this onto your suitcase without a problem. And then you ain't got to be packing it or nothing. But it'd be so nice when you're trying to rest and get you some sleep. And as always, of course, I have my phone recording on my other tripod that has the wireless remote that's Bluetooth. But here's another little handy dandy selfie stick that I recommend taking. This one plugs into your earphone jack, and it has a little button to where you can use the push to take your pictures as well. These are so handy when you're traveling solo or when you're traveling with people that don't want to take the time to be snapping pictures all day and you want your picture. Have you one of these, as long as the place allows you to have it in there. And I've heard so many people talk about this little thing, little portable door lock. But when you're on them solo trips, ladies, listen. You can get one of these nice little handy dandy door locks off of Amazon for a few bucks to help protect yourself when you in those rooms all alone. And since I'm gonna be starting my solo travel, you best believe I will be bringing these. Ain't nobody gonna be coming up in no room getting my goodies. Pens. Most time people don't have pens. And it's always gonna be some opportunity where you need to write something down, especially if you're flying international and need to fill out them custom forms. Tissues. Who don't need tissues? You always start sneezing or your nose get to running at the wrong time when you don't have nothing around. Make sure you got your little travel size tissues. And baby, I hate to have anything stuck in my teeth. I keep this in my purse too. Dental floss. I have so many little dental flosses, and I love to pack this around versus the little individual flossers because this lasts longer. But get you some dental floss. You never know when a little something might get stuck in your teeth and that toothbrush won't help get it out. Wipes. Antibacterial wet wipes. They're good for cleaning your hands, cleaning off the tray table in front of you on those flights. as well as other things. I just ordered these off of Amazon, started packing them around, because sometimes you stop and need to use the bathroom, and I don't like sitting my buns on everybody's toilets. So pack you some paper toilet seat covers in case the restroom don't provide them. And this here, I love a little Ziploc bag with napkins. My napkins from home, because they're more absorbent than the little bitty piece of paper napkins that a lot of places have. They be them little bitty thin squares. Don't forget your sanitizer, because you're not always around wearing some soap. And I don't be trying to get no sickness, nobody extra germs. Make sure you got some. And I love packing cubes. I have big ones and then these small ones. I love them because when you put in your little earphones, your chargers, your little cameras, all of that can fit right on in here. In these, and you have different sizes. This one comes with 3 different sizes. When you're flying, if you love checking your bag, I love carry on mostly, but whichever, make sure you get you a cute little luggage tag that's different than most people. See that little cute flip flop? Ain't that pretty? Just right for the summertime and my cruises. And I just recently started using these. I usually use H-E-B, Walmart, some of the grocery store bags for my shoes, but these I got off Amazon. They so nice. It come with I think it was a pack of 10, and then you can see through the little clear window what shoes you have in there. And I can usually fit 2 pairs in here when you turn them sideways. And those are really good to keep my clothes clean. Also, our next trip, we're heading to New York. And then also I've read on different social medias where in other international places out the country, there's pickpocketers. And so you might want to get you one of these nice little handy dandy purses. It's a crossbody, nice thick strap, locking zippers. That's why I got it, the locking zippers. I like that. And then you got the little snap, then the lock. So that way you won't get pickpocketed, because I'm not used to that. I'm not from a really big city, so I don't know nothing about all that pickpocketing. So I hope you all have enjoyed my 23 things that I love to pack and my must-have packs for my flights, international cruises, or just domestic flights. Until next time, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Bye.